Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while closing the Nioh 3 game. You got a fatal error code 0xc0000005, especially while closing the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to open up your web browser and download this tool, which is named DDU Uninstaller. Scroll down and choose any of the mirror to download it into your system. Once the tool is downloaded, you need to open the downloaded tool and extract all three files by drag and drop onto your desktop. Once extraction is finished, open 0xc folder and choose the option extract. Now open the extracted folder and you will find DDU. Right click and choose the option run as administrator. Using this tool, you need to do a clean installation of your GPU drivers. So from here, under the device type, choose GPU and it will automatically find your GPU. Then you need to click on the option clean and restart. This will go ahead and completely uninstall your GPU drivers. Once GPU drivers are uninstalled, you need to download the official drivers from the official website of NVIDIA or AMD and then install them. Once installed, try to play the game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, in next step, first of all launch the game and go to its system settings. Now in the system settings, choose the option visuals. Now here you need to do few changes one by one. First one is VSync. If you have turned it on, turn off VSync. Then under resolution advanced settings, click on it, and here under dynamic resolution, if you have turned it on, you need to turn it off, and then rendering resolution, make sure you set it to 100%. Nextly is frame generation. It is highly recommended to turn off the frame generation as well as DLSS. You need to turn both of these off. After that, come back, go to next page and click on advanced settings. Now here turn to the page number 2 and you will find global illumination. Set it to very low. After doing these changes, come back and then relaunch the game and then try to close it, and the issue of fatal error will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.